Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from keeping
you have nothing.
Do you ever
I have nothing.
Already buried deep, 6 feet under screen, but no one seems to hear a thing.
You know you're smarter than most everybody at your school. You could do anything you wanted. You could be anything you wanted.
You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go all. Come on, let your colors burst. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced.
Look, you know we're supposed to be together. What's going on with you?
After a hurricane,
I don't hate you.
Maybe your reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to.
You wrote a book. I knew that if you could just sit down and stop shaking it around, you could do something like this. I knew it.
Now it's time to let it through. And maybe you're a firework. Come on, show 'em
I'm very proud of you.